Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set exposure notifications in your iPhone settings. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our iPhone settings if you're not already. So if you cannot find them on your phone, just go right here to the home page of your iPhone, and directly from this main page we can find the settings icon. This is what you want to go ahead and tap on, and after tapping to open it up, it's going to go ahead and open up this new settings menu from where we can get started browsing all the settings we have regarding our iPhone. So now guys, the exposure notifications feature originally developed by Apple for COVID-19 has been largely shut down and is no longer functional in most regions. So basically you are no longer able to turn it on. But if you're using an older iOS version that still supports these exposure notifications, you can go at the search bar right here at the top of the screen and search for exposure. So as you can see, once you search for exposure notification, it's going to go ahead and give you this option right here to open them up. And as you can see, once I click on it, it just opens up nothing except the developer settings, because this option is no longer available on modern iPhones. But if you already have an older iPhone or iOS version that still supports it, or you're in a country that supports it, then you're going to go and be able to open it up just like I just showed you by searching for exposure notifications, finding them, opening it up, and it's going to bring you to the settings. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.